Secretary Remulla, with a very simple question. Is the Constitution the supreme law over all other laws? Simple lang po.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is also supreme over all other treaties.
Yes, ma'am.
Kapag nagkaroon ng conflict sa Constitution at yung Rome Statute, alin ang maghahari?
The Constitution prevails.
Kapag may pag-iiba sa saligang batas at yung RA 9851, alin ang mangingibabaw?
Ang saligang batas po.
Parati ang saligang batas, di po ba? Maliwanag
Yes,
ho yun. The President has been saying that the country was just complying with obligations and commitments to the Interpol in arresting and turning over the former President to the ICC. For the nth time, liwanagan na lang natin, a red notice from the Interpol